Sinasampo ko. So here you are guys, nandito tayo sa Minister Car Wash, just 99. Oh, 99 rupees only. Interior vacuum foam wash, 7 AM to 7 PM. Satisfaction 100% guarantee. So let's see kung magkano sisingilin natin nila dito sa atin sa palinis ng ating two-wheeler. Masyadong madumi na kasi. I don't know kung sinong kakausapin dito, pero let's see, tingnan natin. Busy pa si ano eh, may nililinis pa eh. So hintay-hintay muna tayo. So guys, I speak to the owner of this car and it's confirmed. So inside they are doing vacuum and outside is foam wash for only 99 rupees. So it's quite cheap here. Look, big car, just 99 rupees. But the owner of this car said it's only in this shop. Some shop car wash you have to pay like 300 rupees, 299, 250. So I don't know why it's cheap here. So let's see how much I'm going to pay with my scooter. So I'm expecting as well 100 rupees. So I'm the next one. Wala naman, hindi masyadong busy. So matatapos na to and then he will clean my scooter. So let's see how much I'm going to pay. So he's going to start na cleaning my two-wheeler Honda scooter. So he's preparing everything. More than 1 year na ating scooter eh. First time na ating magpapalinis. No idea kasi ako eh. Minsan na ilang na akong pumunta dito sa shop eh. Anyway, maliit lang naman to kaya ako na yung naglilinis. Nag-aarihin muna din. So let's see how much we're going to pay. So this boy is preparing his stuff. My God. Let's see kung gaano katagal niya ito lilinisin. What time is it na? So orasan natin. The time is 5:08, 17:08. Okay. So if you want cheap car wash, come here to what is this place? Minister Car Wash. Just 99 for that car. Yung nagpalinis ng car, 99 lang. So let's see kung magkano dito. Oh my God, it's foam. So right. Ito pala yung foam pa. Oh, galing oh. Sinasampo ko. Okay. Wow, nasabon tuloy ang ating scooter. So guys, magkano kaya ang palinis sa Philippines ng ganitong two-wheeler? Magkano kaya normally price sa atin sa Pilipinas? Especially sa amin, sa Lipa o Manila o province. Please leave a comment na lang guys. So guys, magkano kaya ngayon ang palinis sa Pilipinas ng mga two-wheeler? Sa Manila, sa province, sa amin sa Lipa. Please leave a comment guys. So i-compare natin yung presyo ng linisan dito sa Gujarat, India kumpara sa atin sa Philippines. So he's doing good job na. Magandang negosyo rin to sa atin sa Philippines eh, kasi normally lalo dito sa India ang daming vehicle. So marami rin nag-o-open ng ganitong business here. Ang alam ko dun sa shop namin sa Lipa, sa may PayPay, beside noon eh, may nagtayo na rin ng car wash eh. Nakikita ko kasi sa video ng kapatid ko eh, may bagong tayong car wash doon. So I'm excited how much I'm going to pay here. Mabilis lang siguro to linisin. It's 5:11 na, 3 minutes niya. Iwa. So I think babanlawan niya na. Ayan ha. Binabanlawan niya na. I think so. I think binabanlawan niya na. Then i-dry niya na. And then I think that's it, finished. Bilis lang oh. Siguro mga 10 minutes lang to, tapos na. Ang luwang din ng space niya rito. Ang ganda oh. Along the main road pa. Kaya maganda yung pwesto niya. Nakapagin din ang linis. So guys, what do you think? How much I'm going to pay? I'm excited to try it here. Oh, so quick, very quick. So yun guys, I think that's it na. Tutuyuin niya na. Ganun lang kabilis so. So what time is it now? It's 5:15. So tapos na, ang bilis oh. So tutuyuin na lang niya and that's it. Linis na. Pagka kompleto ka sa gamit eh, ang bilis talagang linisin eh. Power sprayer. So ayun guys, tinutuyo niya na, finishing na, and then that's it. Mabilis lang. So ayun guys, tinutuyo niya na, drying na tayo. And then that's it, I think. Finished. Mabilis lang. Ano sa tingin nyo guys ang linis? Okay ba? Ganda naman ang linis oh. So tingnan natin ang presyo dito. Mura dito eh. Sa iba daw eh, yung car wash nga eh, almost 300 rupees to 99. Pero dito 99 lang oh. 99 lang yung binayaran ng isang nagpalinis. Interior vacuum at saka foam wash. So mura-mura na yun. Sa laki ng car niya, 7-seaters. He paid only 100 rupees. Parang like 75 pesos. So let's see. So now we are asking the price. He finished? Finished? Okay. Ketla? Pachas only. Oh guys, he said pachas means 50 rupees only yung bayad. Murang-mura na siguro. Murang-mura na yung 50 rupees. Pachas only. Pachas. Okay, pachas. So here you are mate. So bibigyan natin guys ng pachas lang daw, 50 rupees, 100 rupees to. So bibigyan na natin yung supply. Na, keep the change. Keep the change. Yeah, it's yours. Yeah, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Thank you very much. Yeah. So yung guys, binigay na natin sukle. 50 rupees lang pala yung linis dito. So thank you very much. Ano sa tingin nyo yung linis dito? Mura ba? 50 rupees like 40 pesos. So mura-mura lang. Thank you. At least nalinis na yung ating scooter. Thank you for watching. Rico Cornejo Vlogs. Bye bye. Thank you. Yeah. Bye bye. Bye.